Hey everyone, my name is Dennis. I work at Mail.ru Group as the Engineering Director of Email and Cloud. This is a presentation about Tarantool. Okay, what is Tarantool? Tarantool is an open source database with a number of features that make it absolutely unique on the database market. I'll dive into the details about these features later during the presentation. Tarantool was originally created inside Mail.ru and was first released in 2008. Since then, it is widely used inside and outside of Mail.ru Group. Okay, before I dive deeply into Tarantool, let me tell you a couple of words about Mail.ru Group. Mail.ru Group is a huge internet public company offering many internet services like email, cloud, social networks, instant messengers, and games. Mail.ru Group is the fifth largest internet business globally with roughly 150 million active users monthly. We are more than 2,000 engineers in more than 10 international locations. Our international business includes the mapping service Maps.me, the huge game division MyGames, and MyMail, which is the third most popular mobile email app in the USA. We at Mail.ru Group heavily leverage Tarantool in the majority of our services, and this unique technology helped us to be successful globally and sustains our continuing growth. Okay. Now that was about Mail.ru Group, the company. Now about the cornerstone of the database infrastructure of this company, which is Tarantool. Tarantool is a database with open source code, so you can use it for free even in commercial applications thanks to the BSD license. It's been around here almost 8 years, and all of those years, Tarantool has been serving hundreds of millions of users daily on a highly competitive global internet market. So this technology is really mature as of now. What makes Tarantool a great fit for web-scale applications of a huge internet company? It is its outstanding performance along with all the traditional database features. You may think about Tarantool as a database, a real durable, dependable database as it's supposed to be with transactions, replication, server-side language, but at the speed of a cache. A database that was specially designed for the web scale to serve hundreds of millions of users. Now, let's get down to details. Let's talk databases. Some of them position themselves as highly dependable, reliable, and transactional, plus with a huge set of features for data organization, extraction, and processing. You can see examples on the left side of the picture. Other databases that you see on the right side of this picture are different. They say, hey, we have a simple interface, we don't have transactions and all other kind of stuff, but we're fast. We have low latency and high throughput. Don't use us as a primary data store, but use us as a cache. We're really good at it. These are two completely different worlds. The world of durability, complex data structures, complex data languages, and the world of speed. So what we did in 2008 is that we said, hey, we need both sides of this database spectrum in one solution. That's why we created Tarantool, a database that combines both these worlds, the one of good old dependable databases and the one of new fast caches. You can use left-side solutions for one kind of problems and right-side solutions for another kind of problems. But sometimes you just need a solution that has features from both these worlds. There are plenty of examples. You may pick anything from this list, like a session management system. You don't want to lose sessions, so you need a durable solution, but you need extremely low latency and high throughput. The same thing is about an online advertisement system or a user profile system. All of those cases are covered by Tarantool. Of course, you can do without Tarantool. For example, you put a cache on top of a database. I mean a right-side cache-like database on top of a left-side durable database. Remember the picture with the database spectrum? It's a common way to deal with the problem of making a database as fast as a cache. This way you'll get some cache features out of your system and get some database features out of your system. That's on the bright side. But on the flip side, you'll lose some database features, no transactions, and no stored procedures either. And you'll lose some cache properties. For example, update operations slow down because they're all applied to a slow database. Plus, there is more than just losing some cache or DB properties. There are new problems, data inconsistency, and the cold start. So you can survive without Tarantool, but this is not what you'd like to have. I mean, it's much more pleasant to have a system that really combines the two worlds of databases. Remember, the left side is reliability and complex data structures. The right side is speed. This is Tarantool, a perfect combination of the two different worlds, databases and caches. Tarantool is really widely used in production. It is the cornerstone of Mail.ru Group. It is very important that we at Mail.ru Group are using the same branch of Tarantool, so we're in the same boat with you together. And you can use it for free. But if you want more, if you want to leverage our world-class engineers and architects, then we're happy to provide you with our first-class, round-the-clock, 7 days a week support service at very moderate pricing. Just contact us at support@tarantool.org. Thank you for listening and have a good one. Stay tuned.